Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Viewers, welcome back to my crafts corner. Today we are going to make beautiful Christmas centerpiece that will make your table look magical this today season. The best part is you can do this with simple items you already have at home. Candle and cones, plantains. Take a glass tray or plates, place 2 or 3 pillar candles in the middle and around them with pin cones. Add a little fixer or glitter for a winter look. If you have small ornaments, place them around the candle. It's simple but so elegant. Mini Christmas tree centerpiece. Use a small artificial tree or make one from paper cones warped in green felt or glittered paper. Place it on a cake stand or wooden tray. Decorate with tiny ornaments or beads. Add fake snow around the base for a snow look. Arrangement. Take a wooden tray, place candle, small ornaments, pin branches, and maybe even a mini centerpiece. This type of a centerpiece is easy to move around and look very classical Christmas ball centerpiece. And then birds. Take a big glass ball, fill it with shiny and Christmas ornaments or different color, red, golden, gray and silver. Add some fairy lights in the ball for an extra glow. Remember friends, Christmas is about warmth and joy. You don't need to spend too much money. You just what you have: a candle, ribbons, ornaments and creative something unique. So which centerpiece ideas will you try this year? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to share your table setup pictures with me. So friends, let's make this Christmas extra beautiful together. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my YouTube video. So Khuda Hafiz.